Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. And yes, this is a breaking news right here. We have Clubhouse. If you're a member of Clubhouse and you ever wanted to join, it's now free for everybody. Anybody can join. No invitations are no longer required. Anybody can join. Anybody can share. You can get as many people as you want. Share it on social media. Yes, you can do it. Just want to let you know this just came out today. So download the new app on your phone and then you can just update it and then you're good to go. You get right into Clubhouse, tell all your friends, tell all your family, start some groups, start some clubs. You can get things going. Check out my club as well, calling Talking YouTube 101. That's my club. So if you're starting out with YouTube and you want to grow your channel, we have it every Thursday night at 8 o'clock. So just search for Talking YouTube 101 and join that club and you'll be entered right in. It's a private club, but we'll set you right up. We'll get you right in. Then you can join us every Thursday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to talk about how to grow your channel and how to succeed on YouTube. So that's what we're trying to do. That's what we're growing. I'm growing my channel, so I just want to let you know this is what I'm doing. I want to just give you the idea, give you some information. So if you're looking for some help and you want to grow your YouTube channel, this is how you do it. Use Clubhouse. We'll talk live. Ask me questions. We'll go over details. Everybody's going to be involved. It's really going to be awesome. So that's it. I'm really hyped up and I'm really excited about this. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share this video with everybody that you possibly can so everybody knows all about Clubhouse, and it's quite awesome. All right, and I'll see you every Thursday night at 8 p.m. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next review.